Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable dark mode on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Although Roblox is a very popular game platform and creation system enjoyed by millions, its homepage design leaves a lot of be desired. There have been a lot of attempts to improve the themes of the Roblox site, and Dartmouth is another of these improvements. So, in this video, I'll show you how to disable the dark mode on your Roblox account. On my previous video, I've shown you how to enable it. And now, what if you want to disable it? You want to turn it off? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open the Roblox. As you can see in here, my Roblox is on the dark mode. Now, I want to change to light mode. So you can just go to settings. You can tap on the button right here, the three dots, more. You can scroll down. You can select on settings. From settings, you can go to device preferences, and in here, there's an option device level theme. Choose a theme for this device. This one change how Roblox looks on your other device. So it's set to dark. If you want to change it to light, you can just select like this. So now you have changed your Roblox theme to light mode. But if you want to uh, if you select on system, so when your device on the dark mode, your Roblox application will be automatically on the dark mode also. And if your device on the light mode, so your Roblox will be on the light mode. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable Roblox dark mode. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this chin. Thank you and see you.